As I speak to you right now, U.S. stocks are lower. Equity markets in general weaker with the NASDAQ. The only thing at the flat line, it's not negative, it's not positive. Russell, however, leading to the downside, down a little more than a third of 1%. The S&P down about a tenth of 1%, and the Dow down about 0.2 of 1%. As UK inflation comes in hot, highest in a decade, with year-over-year inflation coming in up 4.2%, and the core year-over-year coming in up 3.4%. Those again are decade highs, and they're also hotter than what was expected from their analysts. But not only that, their year-over-year PPI, the input PPI, which may have an effect on future inflation in the UK, also came in stronger than expected. Year over year up 13% versus expectations of up 12.1%. Their output PPI came in at up 8% versus expectations of up 7.3%. That again is a year over year reading. Now the reaction over here again was lower equity markets, and the 2-year and 5-year note yields are at their year-long highs. And that's at the same time that the 30-year is actually 2 or 3 basis points lower than it was just 3 weeks ago. So again, we're seeing a flattening of the curve. That's causing gold and silver to rise while the dollar's rising at the same time. Yen a little bit stronger, pound a little bit stronger. Yen and dollar are likely more of a flight to safety, very small flight to safety, because you're seeing that rally in gold. So the inverse relationship between the US dollar and gold and silver not really holding up. With other commodities, it is, as you see copper lower and crude oil lower as I speak to you right now. More Fed speak today. We have New York Fed President John Williams, Cleveland's Loretta Mester, Fed Governors Christopher Waller and Michelle Bowman speaking, San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly, Chicago Fed President Charles Evans, and Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic. Also, Christine Lagarde speaking later today. Now, looking ahead, retail earnings continue. Tomorrow morning, we've got, today after the close, I should say, we've got Bath and Body Works and Macy's as well as JD.com out of China tomorrow morning. So again, it's retail earnings week. Retail numbers look pretty strong so far, but the stocks aren't really responding to the upside the way you would think they do. In terms of data, U.S. jobless claims, November Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, and October Consumer Conference Board's leading index coming out tomorrow. Today we did have building permits and new housing starts. Permits were up, housing starts were weak here in the U.S.